Watch me scalp boom and crash market like a boss. You too can be like this, guys. You too can make a lot of profit, guys. A lot of profit, guys. Just follow up the strategy that I post every day. Subscribe to this channel, and we're good. Bringing the most simple strategies your way, guys. Trust me. A lot of profits coming in already. I'm not even done yet. I'm not even started yet, guys. So yep, this is it. This strategy is really simple. I'm going to show you guys how it works. I was just experimenting. I'm not even ready yet. By the time I'm ready, I'll be milking a whole lot of money from this market, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, guys. This is the best place for you to get really simple strategies to milk the boom and crash market as a pro. Trust me, guys. I'm going to close out right now so I can show you how these strategies work. I don't want to get caught by any spike, so I'm going to close out right now. Close out with profits, and I'll show you how this works. So yep, let's go, guys. This strategy is really simple and really effective, guys. All you just need to do is get your indicators ready. I'm going to show you how I set it up. Guys. I'm going to show you how I set it up. It's really simple. This is you, even as a beginner, guys, can scalp this market and make a whole lot of profit like a pro. Trust me, guys, can make a whole lot of profit like a pro, guys. So yeah, this is really simple. You just need to have your moving average ready and your MACD setup ready. I'm going to show you how I set it up. But then I just got some profit this morning. Before making this video, I already made some profit from this level, guys. From this place, I made some profit down to this level before the spike. Just before the spike, I went out just before the spike. And again, you saw me making this scalping this place and making some profit again just right now. So trust me, I'm going to show you how this works. But then let's back test and see how effective it has been over time. This is it. I caught some profit here again. I made money from here. I made money from here. You know, this is just basically you scalping the market and making profit before the spike comes. Making a whole lot of profit before the spike comes. So guys, how does this work? First of all, I need you to subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post another video or whenever I post new videos, you know, you'll be the first to see. Comment on this video, tell me how you like my strategies, guys. A lot of people have been chatting me up, you know, telling me how much my strategies are doing the most for them in the forex market. So guys, turn on your notification bell, subscribe, like this video, and then we'll go straight to it. Yeah, how does this work? This is it, guys. This is it. You just, after you've set up, I'm going to show you how to set it up. You just allow the market to come to you. You don't rush the market. Allow the market to come to you. This is it. Once the market comes to this level, once you see this indicator move to this level, the 80 and the 90 level, guys, this is very important, the 80 and the 90 level, guys, and then you allow price to cross this moving average here, and you're good to scalp all the way down here, guys. All the way down. You make money from this, guys. See how much you make from a couple of candlesticks here. I usually advise everyone to take just 5 to 6 candlesticks and they are out of the market before they get caught by a spike. But for me, what I do is I let price come to the 50 level before I take my profit. This is where I usually take my profit. But then, to be on the safe side, guys, to be on a very safe side, you should, you know, take your profits after a couple of candlesticks, like 5 to 6 candlesticks. We can go back in time and we'll still check and see how this has been working over time. This is it. This is another example. Guys. Price came to this level, to this MACD level here, right? Price, yeah, MACD, this is the indicator that we're using right now. So price came to this level and also crossed the moving average level here, and then boom, you can scalp all the way down here, guys. Can take a lot of profit, just before the spike. Trust me, this is really effective and this has been working over time, guys. I can keep showing you more most of these times I've been taking profits, guys, and I want you to make money. I want you to make money, guys. I want you to make money from these simple strategies. This is it. Price came here to the 80 level, 90, 80 and 90 level, and then I allowed it cross here first before I made a decision to sell. Remember, this is for boom and crash. This is for boom 1000. You sell when price crosses this level. Yeah, you can make a lot of profits trading these candlesticks just before this spike, right? This is for boom. I'm going to show you how it works for crash. You sell the boom, yeah, when it meets your condition. I'm going to show you more examples, guys. This is another one here. This is another one here, guys. This is another one here. It's very simple. Price came to this level. It's very simple, guys. It's very simple, guys. And you patiently wait for it to cross this level, and then you can make a lot of profit here. Just catch a couple of candlesticks, 5 to 6, 7 candlesticks is good, guys, and you're out of the market just before the spike. Guys. So trust me, this is what I've been doing over time. I'm making a lot of money from this market, and trust me, it is really effective. You can see it for yourself. This is another example. I'll show you how it works for crash. This is it. Price came to this level, the 80, 90 level, and then I allowed it cross here, and then boom, I take a couple of candlesticks all the way down, guys. So when you see the indicator come to this level, the 50 level, that is way to take profit. But to be on the safe side, just don't be greedy, guys. Don't be greedy at all. Take a couple of candlesticks. Just take a couple of candlesticks. After it crosses 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candlesticks, 8 candlesticks, and you're good. Guys. Don't be greedy. The market is nobody's mate. Don't be greedy, guys. Don't be greedy. But trust me, with this strategy, you can never get it wrong, guys. You can never get it wrong, as long as you're following it correctly. This is another example. I'm taking my time to show you how effective this is, how many times it has been working, and it works almost every single time, guys. Every single time. So follow it carefully, and you see, follow it carefully, guys, and we're good. I want you to make money from this market, guys. I want you to make money. This is it again. This is another one, guys. This is it. Cross here, and then boom, all the way down here just before the spike, guys. You have made money, a lot of money, and you are out before anyone knows it. You are counting your money, guys, and I need you to always take this profit and spend it, guys. Spend it. It is festive season already, guys. Make money and spend money. Be careful as you do this, guys. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Set your targets. Know how much you want to make in a day, and move, guys. Trust me, I take 200, 300, 500, and I'm done. I'm good. I don't even need to take everything in a day, because the market is right there. I'll come back any other day and take profit, guys. This is another one, guys. It touches this level, crosses here, and then a couple of candlesticks down just before the spike here, guys. So what more can I say? This strategy is actually the best. Let me show you how it works for crash. It's just the opposite. Of what you do. Boom 1000, you do the opposite for crash. On crash 1000, you have to buy when the market meets your condition, right? So in this case, market comes to this level, it comes to the 20 and 10 level. Remember, in boom 1000, you allow it come to the 90 level, but in crash, you allow it come to this level, to the 10 and 20 level, and then you watch it cross here, cross your moving average here, and then you buy. Remember, you have to buy the crash. You buy to the upside, right? You buy a couple of candlesticks before, spike happens, you're already out of the market. So this is really strategic, really effective, and this is it again. It is happening here again, guys. This is it right here, guys. Price came here, guys, and then crosses here, and boom, you can catch scalp and make a lot of profit before this spike here, guys. So I don't know what else I can say, guys. this is crazy, guys. This is crazy. You can never get it wrong using this strategy, guys. So I want you to make money. I want you to make money, guys. I want you to make money. I want you to make money, guys. I'm going to show you how to set up these indicators, because without the proper setup, you'll not be able to make profit. So the whole idea here is just to help you guys maximize your profits. So yeah, I need you to do me a favor, subscribe to this channel, guys. Please, if you have not subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel. Comment on these posts, yeah, comment on this video, tell me what you like about the video, tell me how you like the strategy and the previous strategies that I've posted. They are really simple, guys. Trust me, I'm always making sure to only talk to you guys about the most simple strategies out there. So subscribe, like, turn on your notification bell. That's very important, so that when you get to see the videos that I post next, you don't get to miss anything. Because trust me, the idea of this whole thing is just to make sure that all of us will maximize our profits. I want to help you guys maximize your profits, and that will give me joy. To see that you guys are making profits is a thing that will give me joy. So yeah, I want to be sure that I'm not wasting my time, guys. So market came to this level and then crosses here, and then you buy to the upside, guys. You buy, guys. See the profits you make from here all the way down here, guys. This is massive, guys. You can never get it wrong with this strategy. You can never get it wrong. So guys, that's it for the strategy today. I'm going to quickly show you guys the setup. I don't want this video to be too long. I'm going to quickly show you guys the setup right now. So yeah, let's go there. So yeah, this is what we need for this strategy. Yeah, this is what we need, guys. On your main chart, you need moving averages. You can see them, and then your on your window, on your indicator window, we need MACD. Okay, so you first of all set up your stochastic oscillator. You can see the levels. Screenshot this page so you can set it up for yourself. Please don't miss anything out, guys. Don't miss anything out. When you're done with that, you just simply click done, and then you add the MACD. We have a couple of them, so you're going to take your time to add them up, set them up, screenshot this. Don't make any mistakes. The colors are important too, because I'm using a dark themed MT5. So yeah, if you're using dark theme, you can copy exact colors. If you're using your normal white screen, then you should change here to white. Here you change here, oh my god, excuse me, you change here to white background so you can see what's going on. Be very careful with the colors, guys. Very careful with the colors. Don't make mistakes, guys. So MACD, this is it. Copy the settings, screenshot it so you can set yours up. This is very important, guys. Copy the settings. Don't make mistakes. These are important. This is important. Set it up. I don't want anybody making mistakes. Even newbies, guys, can make a whole lot of money from. Even if you are a beginner, you don't have any fear, guys. You can make a lot of money as long as you follow this strategy very correctly. So screenshot it. Take your time. Screenshot it. Know the colors. Know the pixel. Know the fast MA 18, slow MA 36. Guys, screenshot it. I don't want to waste time with this video. Okay, yeah, screenshot it and set yours up. Do it quickly. Start making your profits, guys. It's very important that you make profits. It's very important. Set this up correctly and we're good. It's very important that you make profits, guys. It's very important. It's very important. I had to use all of this because I want you to make profit. I don't want anybody being caught out unawares by spikes and all of that. This is a scalping strategy, so I need you to make profits, guys. Need you to make profits, guys. So yep. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. Stay put for more as I'll be posting more content, guys. Stay tuned. Peace.